How to set up a two-factor verification for crypto.com. First thing you're going to have to do is make sure that you open up your crypto.com and make sure that you're logged in. And once you have done that, the next step you're going to have to do is to simply head over to the settings icon at the top left. Just tap on it. And once you get to your settings menu, just scroll down until you find the two-factor authentication and tap on two-factor authentication to set it up. Then you'll have a toggle. You just have to enable 2FA from here. Once you toggle it up, here you can install Google Authenticator or similar app like Authy that is recommended here. So you can click on proceed to verify. Then you can download the Authy app or the Google Authentication. Once that is done, just open up the app and right below you'll have an option to add account. Just tap on add account on the Authenticator app. And here you will have two options. You can either scan the QR code that was shown previously, or you could enter the key manually. So if you tap on enter key manually, then you're going to have to enter the manual key. So click on the copy option right besides the QR code, and then your secret key will be copied. Go ahead and paste it on the enter code manually option. Then click on save. And once that is done, your crypto.token is formed. So from here, you can copy the code, head back to your authenticator and proceed to verify. And once that is done, your 2FA is enabled successfully. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next video.